While surfing on internet, I found these cute altoid wallets all around, so I decided to make it. Neither I need a wallet nor I have a tiny tin box, so let's give this design to my pencil box. So here I have taken my pencil box and painted it, but then I realized that I'm out of my gray paint. So I decided to paste a brown paper on it. Then I started some doodling some pictures, as you can see, then cut it. Then, with the help of a pen and marker, I started making great designs on the box. After designing, I stick all my doodles and then you just have to take a ribbon. I bet if you're a school going child, then you must have a red ribbon. Then make a bow of it and then stick it. I also have a white ribbon, so I also used it and make a bow and stick it. If you don't have a ribbon, then you can also take a strip of cloth and make a ribbon of it. Then I have taken a half cut beads, and if you don't have these, then you can also use your mom's bindi. After sticking half cut beads, then take a piece of paper and place them together. And then write something. Then cut it in a shape and stick it. So here my intention is to paste the quote, believe in yourself. And I forget to record, so you will gonna see this ahead. Then open your box and take a piece of paper and then make a design. So here I've created a grid design. You can create any design as per your choice. Then stick it to the front part of the box as shown in the video. Then to give it a little aesthetic look, I have pasted a piece of newspaper. So now you can doodle this type of cute and aesthetic stickers for decoration. So here I have doodled a Minecraft heart. So I had a flower and I found this in my diary. So I decided to stick it with the help of the Fevicol. So here I have created a rose from sticky note. If you want the tutorial, then you can check out from this video. Well, I don't think you need a tutorial because this is very easy. Then cut the lower portion of the flower and stick it. Then with the help of a green brush pen or marker, draw leaf, as you can see in the video. So usually a mirror is pasted on the leftover side, but a mirror in the pencil box is not a good idea. So I have another idea for it. So first take a tag like this and then cut the cute drawings made on it. And then take another piece of paper and stick on it. So on this paper I wrote, make sure you are not forgetting your pens, pencil, a reminder to remind me that I'm not forgetting my pens, pencil, etc. So here is the outer look of the box. So basically I don't have a tiny tin box to make an altoid wallet, so I give this design to my geometry box. But if you have a tiny tin box, then you can design it like this. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.